Hello guys, welcome back to my channel ytb-activate. In today video I will show you step by step how to random an Amazon gift card code and add the balance to your account. Firstly, find Amazon app on your phone. You can see here search the bar. Now at the bottom you will see a menu icon with three line tab on it. Now you can see here different type more option. Your credit card and payment option will be displayed. Now click on gift card. Move this page and again tab on the two lines. Menu to choose redeem Amazon gift card. Now you will see a box where you can enter your claim code. Type your code carefully and then press apply to balance. Now you can see here my previous balance was $25 and after redeeming the gift card my total balance is now $50. Its process very simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.